welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful, very cute and also very easy crochet small buttons. I really love these, dear friends. You can ornament your crochet cardigans, sweaters, vests with these crochet buttons. You can also sew up these on your crochet bags, crochet hats, crochet headbands in order to ornament them. I really love them. It is also a very nice project, especially for the beginners. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. Dear friends, for each button you need two colors. In this project I'm going to use these colors. If you have scrap yarn, this project is really very nice for scrap yarn using. I will use 3mm hook. We need a scissors to cut the yarn. We need a darning needle to hide the yarn ends in the back side. That's all what we need for this project. Okay, let's start. I am taking my yarn in my hand. First of all, I am going to make a magic ring. I am doing magic ring like this, turning, keeping it here, inserting my hook through this circle, yarn over, I will make pull through. Now I will keep it here. In order to fix the ring, I am making one chain, and upon this one chain, I am making 3 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Yarn over. Now I am inserting my hook through this ring and making a double crochet. I am considering the first 3 chains as double crochet 1. I made another double crochet. Now there are 2 double crochets. Inserting my hook, and we are counting this as double crochet 3. Another one, double crochet 4. Five. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. And 16. Yes, totally 16 double crochet we made, considering the first 3 chains as double crochet 1. Now I am going to close this circle, keeping this yarn end and pulling. I am pulling, sliding the yarn, pulling tightly. As you see, the circle disappeared. Now I will insert my hook on top of the first 3 chains like this, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. Now I am taking my darning needle and I will fix this yarn end in the circle. Turning back, I will slide the needle through the stitches. A few times I am going to do this in order to fix the yarn end perfectly. Otherwise, if I do not make it perfectly, this center can be reopened again. Okay, now I am doing like this. I will make a knot in order to secure the yarn end. Okay, I am cutting like this. Now I will also hide this yarn end. If you cut this yarn end longer, you can also use a darning needle, and you can hide in the same way how I hide the center yarn end, but I cut it short for this reason. In order to hide it easily, I will use this small size hook. Okay, I am in the back again. I will do the same thing. I mean, I will slide the yarn end through the stitches, but for this small size hook is helping me. If you don't have small size hook, you can also use the same hook you already crochet, but it is easier. Okay, one more I am going to do. And I can cut the rest. Okay, our button is mainly finished, and we are going to use the second color in order to make this stitch at the border, and also in order to make this in the center. For the second color, I am using this light pink color. First of all, I am going to make this stitch at the border. First of all, I am making a loop like this, taking the hook from the loop, taking this button and inserting through any stitch. You can insert here, 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 no matter where you insert your hook. I am inserting here, taking this from the back. I will keep this yarn end in the back side with my finger in order to fix this yarn end. Now I will pull it. Okay, now I am inserting my hook through the following stitch, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, going to the following stitch here, inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, going to the following stitch here, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, going to the following stitch, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. Like this, one by one, we are going to make till the end of the round shape. I came to the end. For the end, I am taking the hook from the loop, and I am inserting my hook through this stitch. This is the stitch that I start making this border. Taking this loop, and one moment, I will make pull through. Look, like this we are finishing. I am at the end. I am pulling like this and cutting the yarn. Okay, now I am tying this to each other in the back. Okay, this is the front. Okay, this is the back. Now I will hide these yarn ends in the back side. I will use this small size hook. Okay, we can cut it. Now we are here. Okay. Okay, we can cut it now. This is finished. Now I am going to make this stitch in the center. Again, I am using light color, light pink color. I don't need much yarn. For this reason I cut it now. Look, first of all, from the back to front, I am doing like this, and to the other side, one moment, to the other side I am doing, okay. Now I am going to the opposite, like this, one moment, like this, and inserting to the other side. Look, it's been like this. Now in the back, I am also tying these two ends, yarn ends I mean. Once again I am tying in order to secure well. Okay, now I can cut it. Okay, that's all dear friends. As you see, it is so easy. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. I hope you liked it. I will go on sharing this kind of easy project. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.